Getting more clients as an online coach has never been this easy. In this video, I want to go through exactly how you can get clients in the simplest way possible. Okay, so I'm about to reveal the simple and easy process to get more coaching clients, and this is the most simplest process and not a lot of people are speaking about. Okay, not a lot of people are giving away this process because they know how good it is, but it's working. Okay, and working super well. So you as an online coach are probably doing okay for yourself. Okay, you're at 10 to 15k a month, but it's not consistent. Plus you see how other online coaches are killing it with social media, and well, you have tried, but nothing seems to work and nothing seems to stick. You just want a way to post content, get qualified leads, and be able to close higher paying clients, right? You want consistent months, and that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you how to do in this video. Get leads through social media, guarantee you close clients, have consistent months, and never have to worry about where your next client's coming from. Okay, so you're either right now probably stuck in the cold message grind, and that's why you haven't got a consistent flow of leads or clients and why you're not having consistent months, or you're spamming short form content every day thinking that's building you a brand when in reality it's not, and it's also not getting you any clients. You need a system which will guarantee you get clients, literally guarantee. And as discussed, sending cold messages is just not consistent, and most of the time when you onboard new clients, they turn out to be, well, shit. They turn out to be bad clients who nag and moan you all the time, who don't put in the work and then say, oh, this guy doesn't know what he's talking about, give me a refund. Okay, you don't want those kind of clients. Okay, and spamming short form content may get attention onto you and your offer, but what's attention without a conversion? You need to be able to convert the attention into paying clients. Okay, so introducing the Magnify Your Content funnel, and this is the funnel we're going to be speaking about today, which it's literally the simplest way to get clients, literally on autopilot as well. So this funnel will build your brand. So build your brand in the meantime while you get clients. And by the way, you don't need a huge brand to get clients. You can build your brand up while you get clients. So you can literally have less than 1,000 followers like me and get clients through it. Okay, and this will allow you to wake up to a calendar full of qualified calls. It will allow you to have consistent months. It will allow you to scale past what you're stuck at now, probably the 10 to 15k a month mark. So allow you to scale past that, and it will allow you to never have to send a cold message again, and it will allow you to not have to spam short form content again. Okay, and as I said, attention is nothing without a conversion in place. So let's just get into the funnel. Okay, so the top of funnel, the attention stage, which is getting attention. If you have no attention, you will have no one to pitch your offer to. So you need attention onto you and your offer. You need people to know about you and your expertise to be able to pitch people what you sell. But just posting short form content again is just not consistent. Okay, you cannot rely on the algorithm to get ideal clients onto your page on a daily basis. Sometimes it's up, sometimes it's down, sometimes it's up, sometimes it's down. You can't rely on the organic content to get ideal clients onto your page, but it's still needed. Okay, so what we do is run a simple Instagram profile visit ad, and this ad allows you to wake up to qualified leads following you every single day, and it's only $15 to $30 a day. Okay, so you target your ideal client within the targeting options with Meta, and it gets ideal clients onto your page every single day. You wake up to leads, literally. And we use the organic content, so you should already have an organic foundation on your page. We use the organic content to nurture those leads and intrigue them for more. And we also use ManyChat as leverage, and ManyChat is an automation platform to get people over to the next stage of your funnel, to also grab people's emails automatically and also to start conversations. So you can say at the end of some of your videos, comment the word keyword. I'll send you over a free training on exactly how to your ideal client's desired outcome, and then when people comment that keyword, the ManyChat sequence will trigger. It will send people over that free training. It will also grab their email and add it to your email list automatically, and it will also start a conversation where you can go in there, which I'll speak about in a minute, and I'll go through the framework in a minute. Okay, but that's the first stage, so getting attention. Simple Instagram ad. You can also have a carousel ad where you go through a carousel and it's optimizes for DM, or it optimizes for someone to comment. The next stage is the trust building stage, and as I said, attention is nothing without a conversion, and trust is the number one thing you need to sell somebody something. So what I would do is start posting on YouTube. Okay, YouTube is the best platform. You only need to post around once a week, even though I post every day on YouTube. You only need to post around once a week to actually get clients, to actually warm your ideal clients up. So YouTube is the best, and there's actually 4 reasons why YouTube is the best. It builds up the trust quicker. So I don't know if you've heard of it, but it's called the 7-hour rule. And the 7-hour rule states that it takes approximately 7 hours for a prospect to turn into a paying client. So someone needs to watch your content for at least 7 hours before they even consider buying from you. And do you think they're going to be able to watch 30 to 60 second clips for 7 hours? Yes, they will, but it will take a year and a half. And we don't want that to happen just to convert one client. We want to get clients every single week. Okay, so you need to post on YouTube. It builds up the trust quicker. 21 20-minute videos build up the 7 hours of trust. Okay, the next thing is retargeting is insane. So when, let's just say for example, you're here for the first time, you've never seen my content before, but you see my lovely face now. You've now clicked on my video, so you're going to keep on getting retargeted by my content because YouTube's algorithm is insane. Okay, you're going to keep on getting retargeted until you're warmed up. Okay, and YouTube is an asset. So unlike short form videos, you post a short form video, it goes out for like 2 days, 3 days, and it goes away forever. With long form, it goes out, may not do well, but a year later it could blow up. So it's an asset, it stays around and goes up over time. Okay, and raw and authentic videos are winning right now. And this is the best part. So raw videos like this, you just set your camera up, go on Miro, or just set your camera up and just talk to your audience. They're winning right now. People are sick and tired of the over-edited videos, and they want to see people being raw and authentic, giving real value. So this means it doesn't take much time, okay? And as you can see, Alex Hormozi, he always posts raw and authentic videos now. So how the funnel looks so far is really simple. It's an ad to get ideal clients onto your page, who then get nurtured by your organic content. They also interact with the ManyChat sequence. You can grab their email, etc. They go over to a YouTube video, which will be a video sales letter. I don't want to go into too much detail about that, but I've got a video on my page going through that. This video sales letter may book in calls, but if it doesn't, they keep on getting retargeted by your YouTube content that you post every single week. And you can also, as I said, the ManyChat sequence will grab their email, so you can also send email campaigns if you truly want to, which isn't necessary, but is a good way to hit them from another angle and warm them up. You can also post Instagram stories 1 to 5 times a day, call to action saying if you want this, showing clients results, etc. Okay, so next is the conversion stage of the funnel. So what I want you to realize is YouTube will get you book calls, so will Instagram stories, and there's also other ways which will get you book calls. You may get book calls from short form, but I'm not like, I don't think that will happen, but still. But there is another way to book in way more calls, and that is conversations, okay? So what you want to do is start conversations with anyone who interacts with your short form content, because you can't do it on YouTube because you can't really see who interacts. So with short form, whoever interacts with your content, you got to reach out to them and set them on a call using the SDSC framework. So you're going to see where they're at. So the first message can be something like, hey name, thanks for the whatever they did. So thanks for the follow. Are you on your so-and-so journey? So for me, it would be, are you on your content creation journey, or just enjoying the content, for example, okay? This is going to start the conversation and actually make them reply because you asked them a question. And what you're going to do is see where they're at. So see where they're at right now. Where are they at right now within their business, within their content journey, whatever you sell, within their fitness journey, whatever, okay? And then see where they want to get to. So see where the desired outcome is, okay? And then see what's stopping them from getting there. And along the way, when you ask these questions and find out these things, of course, it's just not going to be 3 questions. It's going to be multiple. They're going to reveal pain points. And you can use those pain points as leverage to offer the call. And the thing that I want to say is sell the call, not the service. So in the DMs, don't sell the service. Just sell the call. So you want to incentivize them to actually book in a call with you. So you could say something like, oh, that's exactly what my client was struggling with. And then I helped him implement so-and-so, and he got to so-and-so. Would you be down for a quick call so I can run you through it so you can start implementing it? So that's incentivizing people to book in a call, because otherwise they know you're going to sell them something. So sell the call, not the service, and then on the call sell the service. Okay, so you can actually, like, on the call you can structure out where it's like, I'm just going to ask you a few questions, see if I can even help you. If I can, I'll give you some value, and at the end I will be offering my offer, and then we can go from there. Is that all good? Etc. Okay, so if they are interested in it, they will close. Okay, so that's the conversion stage, literally conversations. Again, YouTube will booking calls, everything like that, but I just want to go through conversations because people forget to reach out to everyone. But yeah, this is the funnel, really simple. It's a simple ad to get ideal clients onto your page who then get nurtured by your organic content, use ManyChat to grab emails, etc. They move over to your video sales letter, may even book a call straight away. If they don't, they keep on getting retargeted by YouTube, keep on getting retargeted by email. If you like, you can start a conversation, and then eventually they're going to book in a call, and they can go for a book a call form, which is qualification questions. So you only have to hop on qualified calls with people, so they're actually qualified. And also you can have a pre-call sequence, which is email and text reminders reminding people to show up to the call, which will increase show up rate, and also sending people over a video going through all your clients' results in detail so they're warm before the call, so it guarantees the close. This is going to lead to a lot of clients, guys. I'm telling you right now, if you implement this the right way, it's going to lead to a lot of clients, and that's exactly the simplest way to get more online coaching clients. I hope you got some value from this video. If you are an online coach with a solid offer, you're making above 10k a month, and you want to scale, you want to start your personal brand and actually get clients through it, and you want all of this implemented for you, okay, so we consult you on parts and we implement most of it for you, so you don't have to touch anything. You just have to film and script. That's it. Okay, that's all you have to do. If you're interested in that, book a call with the second link in the description and we can speak in more detail. None of those sales tactics. I'm just going to ask you questions, see if I can even help, and then I will offer my offer and we can go from there. Okay, if you don't want to go ahead, that's completely fine. But yeah, if you are interested in that, just book a call with the second link in the description and we can go from there. Hope you got some value from this video. Make sure you subscribe if you're an online coach, because I post videos like this every single day. But yeah, thanks guys for watching. Peace.